Hello everyone, my full name is Patrick Sebastian Ocano Uribe. I am from Peru, so my nationality is Peruvian. I currently live in Lima. I am 18 years old. It's my first day on this new job, so I am very happy to meet you all. Now, let me share some of preference with you. First, regarding food, I love ceviche. I like fast food, but I don't like spicy food and hate soup. I also love trying different foods with my friends. Second, regarding music, I like pop, rock, and reggaeton. I love listening to music in my free times, but I don't like listen to very loud music. Finally, in my free time, I like play video games and volleyball and love watching movies. I also enjoy spend spending time with my friends, but I don't getting up early on weekends. That's a little about me. It's nice to meet you, and I hope we can work together and become good friends. Thank you.